Today for Mousetrap Monday, those pesky mice in the barn better watch out, because we're going to test out a new product called Mouse Stopper. It comes in a full kit. I bought this on Amazon. It's sold in a 4, 8, or 12 pack. And the kit includes a cardboard mousetrap holder. They hold 2 traps, some snap traps, these are good for catching Bigfoot or mice, and the mouse munchie bait. The whole idea with the cardboard holders is it directs the mice right in front of the trap, so it lines up their head perfectly with the kill bar. The slogan is, a better mousetrap? No, you need a more effective system. To me, this image of an angry mouse looks like Brain in the cartoon Pinky and the Brain, and it sits on a box that folds up like origami project. On the back of the box are some tabs you fold in. This says top, that's the front. You turn it over, fold in the tabs, fold up the back, and tuck it in. That's pretty secure. If you turn it this way, you can see the 2 chambers that hold the traps. We'll take the Bigfoots out of the package. And there we go. They're standard snap traps. Just turn them this way, pull back the kill bar, and hook it into the plastic cheese. Pretty easy. Now on the trigger pads right here is where you put the mouse munchie bait. This bait comes in a round can. You lift off the lid. Ooh, that looks good. It kind of looks like something you find in a dirty diaper. Gross. And it smells like burnt peanut butter. If we flip it over, we can see the ingredient list. It says put a pea-sized portion of bait on the back of the trap, not the trigger. That's good to know, and the ingredients are a blend of peanuts and nut tree oils. Both my sons have nut allergies, so I'm going to have to keep this away from them. But I was wrong at first. The instructions say don't put the bait there, but instead in the back. That way the mouse has to crawl over the trigger pad to get the bait. Then once the traps are baited and set, you slide them in the mouse stopper. Number 1, number 2. Now to get the bait, the mice can't get them from the side, top, or back. They have to go in the front, climb over the pad, and get it right on the head or neck. And the instructions say to catch mice, you place this against the wall like this. This looks like it's going to work. Let's go set it up in the barn with motion cameras and see if we can get 2 mice in one night with the mouse stopper trap. Last night I set up the mouse stopper trapping system in the barn and it worked really well. We got 2 mice, a double. They wanted the peanut butter, went in there, stepped on the pad, set off the trap, and got caught. I wish I set up another mouse stopper. More mice came. They're not scared of the smell or sight of a dead mouse at all. All night long mice climbed over these 2 to get the peanut butter on the set off trap. Now you can take the dead mice out of the trap and reuse them. Or if you don't want to deal with dead mice, you just give them a flip into the garbage. But I don't want the 2 mice we caught in these traps to go to waste. We're going to feed them to wild animals. It's wintertime, it's cold, and a lot of scavengers are looking for a free meal. Every night both a skunk and a possum have been coming, but the skunk always comes first, and it doesn't leave anything for the opossum. It gobbles up the mice. Well, I'm going to leave both mice there and see if the skunk leaves one for his friend. Let's go set up the motion cameras and see what happens. Well, it's about time the opossum finally got a meal. Usually the skunk comes first and eats everything. But the skunk didn't show up last night, but he missed out on a nice meal caught by the mouse stopper. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider clicking the button right there. Currently, I'm posting videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So if you want to see how to catch mice, rats, squirrels, chipmunks, moles, voles, and gophers, stay tuned.